this morning just before 5 a.m. The diesel generator's running and the whole building smells of exhaust fumes. I don't know if this door should be open or not, but the whole place just reeks. You can see it's kind of smoky through here. It's awful. Not the way to start your day.
No. So we decided to go out for breakfast and get out of the condo and let it air out. We opened up all the windows and let it air out, see how it smells when we get back. But
Yeah.
so we came to Mia's and had breakfast, and it was pretty good. Jay had steak and eggs. I had scrambled eggs and pancakes and bacon. It's pretty good.
We didn't finish the story. Basically, the power flickered a couple times last night, and it caused the automatic generator to turn on. But then some error, because it flickered twice fairly close together, the generator didn't shut back off like it's supposed to when the power came back on. So I think it just sat there running all night, and it just was way hot.
Yeah.
The whole downstairs was kind of getting smoked out.
It just not smelled very good.
Yeah, the stench got stronger and stronger in our apartment.
It almost smelled like burnt wires and plastic and just like hot metal, and I don't know, it was just not a very nice smell.
We got a hold of our landlord. When he came, he had two guys come with him, and the three of them ran around for at least half an hour making phone calls and everything before they even got it shut down. So
yeah.
He assures me it's sorted now, and they have a guy coming to fix that problem, so it shouldn't happen again. And he did say they don't normally have power outages here, so I mean, we did have a flicker the other night though.
We did?
Yeah, I thought it flickered off the other night too one time. It went off for a few seconds, it came back on, but then, anyway.
Yeah. So, it is bright and early in the morning. Now it's like 8 o'clock. Wow. We've been up for a long time. So we're gonna make the best of the day and do some running around. We gotta hit the bank. It's the first of the month, so we need to like redo our cell phones. And then we need to go to the bike shop. We're thinking about doing a bike trip to Hawaii, so we wanted to switch out the bikes. So we're gonna go and look into that and see how much that's gonna cost. Yeah, bike. Just one bike, not two bikes.
We're going to do the high van pass, I think, so I want to get something
excited.
A little bigger, probably manual, not an automatic.
There's a couple spots on the peninsula here in Santra where you can't go up the peninsula without a manual bike.
It's as soon as you go into the hills, the mountainy areas where
really
it gets steep. There's, we went to the one lookout point, and you get part way up and you have to switch. They actually have manual bikes right there. They rent you for 100,000 dong so you can continue up the hill. And then we went past the Lady Buddha the other day, and once you get so far beyond that, you come to another point where there's no automatics allowed beyond that point. So I assume it's just high percentage grade in the road, so they want something with more getting up the hills.
Yeah, so we're gonna go look into that. Away we go.
Be a sleepy day. Be a lot of Capi Suas today.
Yeah. Okay, let's hit the road. Yeah. All right, let's hit the road. Pay a bill, services. I think you want service, right? Hi. She's like, just come to 6. So we ended up getting our SIM card at the airport, and it's like through a local network. So to get or renew our phone plans, we actually have to buy a SIM and a new plan. But you need your passport to do that. We weren't expecting to do that. So back to get our passport. So while we're driving by, we're gonna stop at the bank. Easy peasy. Jay's gonna see how much he can pull out of the HSBC bank. Huh. All right, so now we know. You can pull out at least 10 mil from the HSBC bank, where other banks, it only allows you to pull out like 3 or 4 mil, maybe.
This is at the branch.
Yeah, at the branch, at the HSBC branch.
The other ones we tried were like remote ATMs in different areas, but
good to know. So we got our passports, and now that we can get a SIM card from basically wherever we want, we're gonna stop into Vinaphone and see how much it is here.
We need to get some SIM cards for both.
Yeah. Okay, so we got a Vinaphone SIM card, and it was $21.40 for Jay and I for the month, and that was including a little SIM.
New SIM.
What?
Yeah, that's a new SIM.
That's a new SIM, yeah.
New SIM.
So it's 6 gigabytes a day. Yeah.
We just top it up, so for the next month,
Yeah.
160.
Yeah. So I think that's pretty good. So
It's a little bit more expensive than mobile phone.
Yeah.
Like $20,000.
Not a
for
lot.
plan.
Yeah.
Only 10,000 difference because their SIM must be a little bit more.
Yeah, I
Because it
don't
was
know.
only 10,000 difference total.
Yeah, not sure. But Vinaphone and Viatel are like the top two phone companies in Vietnam, so we don't mind paying $1 each extra for one of the top brands. So off to the bike shop. She's got her business face on. Hello! Nice new X Max. Wow.
Are these 300 or 500? 300?
The Airblade Vision
We have, would you like N-Max? We have
X-Max?
360.
X-Max?
Good for you. We got we love it new.
It's brand new. Yeah, it's beautiful.
We've written that before. We've had one. Perfect. Perfect. It's got a big trunk. It's got a good sized trunk. Yeah, 160.
160.
Yep. Yep, that'd be good. Okay.
How much are the 125s? Just to rent a day per day?
180.
180?
Yeah, it's right. Yeah.
180,000 for 125 per day. Okay. Okay, Adam. So there you go. 180,000 Vietnamese dong for a 125. That's an automatic?
Yeah,
One,
fully
for,
automatic.
for an automatic.
You can, here we have.
Okay, and then there's more on here.
Here we have big drive for, here for, this one is, here basic. And
Okay.
many kind, different.
Okay, perfect.
Here ADV.
So different years,
so
different- yep.
ADV, SA. Here.
Perfect.
Yeah. Here
Okay.
one way rental.
Yep. Oh, gotcha. Okay.
Yeah, we have
Perfect.
one way rental too. And basic.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah,
Awesome.
basic là do buy new.
Yes,
Ah,
yeah. Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
Or you can rent this nice X Max.
Oh, these are beautiful, yeah.
Brand new. So in a couple of days, she's going to call us when the PCX comes back, and then we're going to switch out the lead for the PCX for a couple of days.
We got the green Ninja. Val's gonna ride the green one.
Yeah,
I'm
right.
gonna ride the black one.
Upcoming trips, though. Yeah. Upcoming trips. Now what are we doing? We need coffee. It was an early start to the day, so
Let's go.
we're going to go find a coffee shop somewhere. Okay, so we've been to this place one other time. It's called The Hideout. It's got awesome Wi-Fi. There's lots of people working on laptops in here, but it's such a cute little coffee shop.
Take off my bandana.
It's busy. Okay. Smallest mango I've ever seen. It's a nice place that just opened called Paco Coffee. It's very cute. They're rocking Taylor Swift over there. Inside here it was like classical music. Okay, I think we're heading to the beach. We haven't showed you guys the beach yet. So it's midday right now at the beach, and there's like hardly anybody here because it's sweltering. So I think people come early in the morning or in the evening.
All the smart locals are inside taking a nap
Yeah.
till tonight when it cools off. Oh, you think those windmills would be spinning in the wind?
I know. Maybe they're fixed. I don't know.
Yeah, because it's windy.
But we're just going to take a little walk down here, check things out. I like how they have this walkway along the beach here. and it goes for quite a while. In the major areas or popular areas, they have food vendors along the beach. But there are places along the beach here where there's no food vendors and there's usually no people there. So if you want a quiet spot at the beach, you can go there. Bring your own little cooler and sit and relax and enjoy some sand, sun, and water.
There's more people than it seems. Everybody's just up under the umbrellas.
I guess there's a
few
couple.
people down in the water, but there are a lot of people under the umbrellas.
Vacationers.
Yes. Not local people.
No. And you might only think that I own one pink shirt, but see, really, it is the only long pink shirt that I own. And I go out in the sun to cover up. It's better than slathering on loads and loads and piles of sunscreen.
It's cool.
It is cooler. I love all these trees. Very pretty. So yeah, they have all of these little street vendors along here, kind of like the river when we did the river walk. But this place serves pizza, and this place is always busy. Pizza and burgers. They have a great view. It's always packed at nighttime. People eating, having a beer and some pizza. But this beach looks just so stranded and lonely. There's nobody here. You can see the island out there. Mountains over there. Lady Buddha way off in the distance. I feel like they're always setting up along the beach here for some kind of event or music or something. These guys are setting up for tonight. This is Mayan Beach, so here's the Mayan Beach sign. So there's lots of little palapas and bars along here too. And then they have your chairs out on the water there, out on the sand. It's nice they have like garbages as well as along the walk here. There's washrooms along the walkway. There's even little workout stations along this little walkway here. This is a popular place, Paradise. It is busy. It's always busy. Lots of lights all around. Check out that building over there with all of the greenery. Absolutely stunning buildings too. Lots of big high rises, lots of places being built. Way up there, you can see I'm kind of like shooting into the sun, but it is nice to have this big walkway. It does go on forever, for a long way down here with all these cute little shops along the way. It's very nice. Oh, I did want to mention Wes about the electricity bill. We did get our electricity bill yesterday, and it was only for 3 weeks. And keep in mind, we kept the air conditioning pretty much on all the time, and it was 90 Canadian dollars. So I think to save a little bit of money, we're gonna shut the aircon off when we leave and turn it on when we're there. So it would probably be over $100 a month if you left it on all the time. So just to kind of give you an idea. So I feel like today has been a long day. We've been up since 4 a.m. We're gonna cut this Wednesday walk shorter than usual. And just gonna leave you guys with some drone footage of the beautiful beach so you can get an idea of just how beautiful it is. But stay tuned for more from Vietnam because we are here for a lot longer. We have a lot more to show you, and we're going to go in depth about different areas here in Danang, in and around Danang, like Hue and Hoi An. And we are looking forward to sharing that with you guys. So hit the subscribe button if you want to follow us, and hope to see you in the next one. Bye guys.